So you're saying that I can exhaustively find all runtime errors in my code while lowering the number of false positives? Where's the catch? How is that working? So first, it's important to remember that if you're using formal methods or formal method tool, then you can have an exhaustive analysis. Our tool is going to find runtime errors, even if it's depending on a very small subset of all of your input values. It's mathematically guaranteed without you needing to be a math major. We can know for sure what are the realistic range of values that you have at different points in your program, and use that information to know for sure if something may not happen. So for example, that x that divides y, well, x is never going to be 0, so a division by 0 will never happen. That level of precision means that our tool doesn't need to guess whether something can happen or not. So sometimes in static analyzers, that's a problem. It's like if you don't know, maybe that you want to err on the side of caution. The precision of our analysis actually enables us to lower the number of false positives. Oh, so that's a catch. Your analyses are running forever. Now, actually, no. We're analyzing thousands of lines of code in minutes. So how is that working? Precision can actually be adapted to certain needs. So say, for example, that you're using very high-level precision settings that do not require a lot of CPU power, and then the tool says that this function has absolutely no alarms whatsoever. What it means is that even if you're spending more time, you will never be able to find an error there. That's what the no false negative guarantee means. You can actually optimize your CPU cycles based on that. You will spend just enough time on the functions to either prove them correct, so basically prove them runtime error free, or try to disprove some of the alarms that you may still have. So that's how at the end of the process you get something that intercepts all the runtime errors that can ever happen, lowers dramatically the number of false positives, and keeps the analysis speedy. Does it work? Yeah. I can tell you that many of our clients have been pestered by just too many false positives coming from other tools, and that's the first thing that they're telling us. Your tool is actually quite precise and still fast, so it doesn't waste my time with a lot of spurious alarms. Just contact me if you want to know more.